Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the SIM PIN code required on your Samsung smartphone in order to unlock the screen. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. Go ahead and select that and then scroll down and select the security and privacy tile. And then scroll all the way down underneath other settings where it says more security and privacy and select that. And then scroll down again underneath security and select SIM lock. Where it says lock SIM, if you want to go ahead and disable it, you just have to click inside the oval one time to turn it off, and it'd be grayed out like you see on my screen. You may need to enter in your SIM password that's currently on your device in order to save that setting. That's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.